Man, I bought a bucket. Man, I got a baggage. Man, I got a luggage. Tell a boy better holla at me. Yeah. Man, I bought a bucket. Man, I got a baggage. Man, I got a luggage. Yeah. Tell a boy better holla at me. Yeah. Bucket. Tell a boy better holla at me. Bucket. Yeah. Bucket. Tell a boy better holla at me.
Yeah, why easy? No, it's not like that. Just stop it. You mean so? Okay, no, it's not a problem. Hey, I mean, but try to get one shit. Lena ke rekile. Hey, yeah. Yes, no problem. Why? That's the thing. That's the thing. Hit me on app. Why eat? Yeah. Yes. Hello. Hi. Hey. Look, it's so big here. Hi. Oh gosh, you're doing that for me. Come on. I know that you're doing that for me. What's that?
Now I'm straight. I can say I'm good.
You're like a straight.
Go straight.
Yeah.
Why are you looking at my pin?
Because it's so cute.
Don't ever look at my banana.
Hey.
Hey, brother. Brother, I got too many yellow bones coming through my house. I don't have time for people.
Can you do me a favor and show me your dick?
What?
Show me your dick.
You
just did it once.
Look, I got too many yellow bones coming through my house. I don't have time for people like that.
I'm yellow bone too.
Oh, yellow bone?
Yeah.
How?
Don't you see it?
What? Say me.
Well, I said, can I play to your house? Can I?
Yeah.